Hello children of class 5. Let's learn SST. Chapter 1 Human Evolution. Previous class we learned human evolution, tools and weapons, methods of making tools, then discovery of fire and uses of fire. Agriculture, okay? All of you understood now? Today we are going to learn domesticating animals. What is domesticating or domestication? Taming or rearing, okay? Rearing of animals. Dog was the first animal to be domesticated by early humans. Then they tamed or domesticated pigs, goats, sheep, cattle, horses, and donkeys. Different animals were domesticated for different purposes or uses. Goats and cows gave them milk, sheep provided wool, horses and donkeys were used to carry loads. Animals also provided meat and skin. Gradually, they learned to use animals to plow fields, to protect crops, and for transportation. Okay, so these are the different uses of animals. Goats and cows gave milk, sheep provided wool, horses and donkeys were used to carry loads. Some animals provided meat and skin. Some animals were used to plow fields, to protect crops, and for transportation. Then, this agriculture and rearing of animals made it necessary for the early humans to settle at one place. We have already learned in previous class that the development of agriculture changed man's life in many ways. So this rearing of animals also made it necessary for the early humans to settle at one place. They preferred staying near the river banks as here the land was fertile, there was enough water for drinking, farming and transportation. Okay. They settled near the banks of the river because of the fertility of the soil and availability of water for drinking, farming and transportation. When we learn Indian history, we learn that Indian history starts from ancient India. So that time we will learn the Indus Valley civilization, that was the first settlement of humans near the river Indus. Okay. Then they started settling in small groups that led to the formation of villages or societies. Huts were made of mud, stones, leaves and tree branches. Okay. Understood? Then invention of wheel. The invention of wheel was another stepping stone towards progress. Another turning point towards progress. Okay. That we know earlier, early human traveled from one place to another place on foot. No wheel, no vehicles. Okay. That time they saw or they noticed a stone or a log rolling down a slope, which gave them the idea of the wheel. At first they used carts or sledges to carry their loads from one place to another place or to move from one place to another place. Then they set logs under their carts or sledges. These logs served as the first wheels. This invention changed man's life in many ways. Traveling from one place to another place became faster and easier. Heavy objects or loads could be moved easily even on uneven ground. Okay, this was the change of man's life, change in man's life after the invention of wheel. The wheel was used to make pottery and was called the potter's wheel. It improved the quality of pottery, pot making. Okay, it is used even today to make pots and utensils of clay. It was shaped with hands and fingers and then baked in fire. In this way they made the pots. These vessels or pots were used to store grains, liquids, and cooked food. These pots were used to store grains, water, and cooked food. The potter's wheel enabled them to make pots of different shapes and sizes in lesser time than before. And this potter's wheel was the first wheel, and after the invention of this potter's wheel, it helped them to make pots of different shapes and sizes in lesser time than before. Later on, they learned to glaze and decorate the pots. Okay, understood? Invention of wheel and taming of animals. Read this lesson and find out the answer. Okay, today I am going to give one question answer. Question number 7. Discovery of wheel was a turning point in man's life. Comment. Question number 7. The answer is in page number 14. Page number 14. Third paragraph. Okay. Question number 7. Answer is in page number 14. The invention changed man's life in many ways. Traveling from one place to another became faster and easier. Heavy objects or loads could be moved easily, even on uneven ground. Once again, page number 14. This invention changed. First you write the question. Discovery of wheel was a turning point in man's life because this invention changed man's life in many ways. Traveling from one place to another became faster and easier. Heavy objects or loads could be moved easily, even on uneven ground. Clear? Understood? Okay, this you have to do in copy. Okay, bye.